shit! Bro, you don't know, do you know how much that shit is worth? Like $3 fucking million.
Yeah.
Holy fuck! Beautiful. I will never see that shit again. You will never see that again. I did. That's crazy. Alright, let's get it. Alright, not how I wanted to start the video, but hello and welcome. We're on our way to the car meet now. We got our homie back there, El Bravito Chris. And it'll be fun. We're gonna be on this road for 2 miles. Nice and slow. You're good. Go ahead. You already know you're not gonna fucking let me through. Nah, I mean, please don't wait for it. Alright, good. We're gonna be on this for 1.5 miles. Alright.
Yeah, have fun with Lawrenceville drivers, bro.
You saw how she didn't want to let me over? Oh, this is sick! With the homie. Ooh. I like that. Those downshift sounds good.
Filming on that?
Huh?
You recording?
100%.
Yeah, I wish I was filming because like it just looks.
Dude, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is beautiful. It's a gas pedal. They get it. They get it. Hopefully this is where the fun begins. Bro, what the fuck is this? Dude, he wasn't kidding. He said be ready for Lawrenceville drivers. Ridiculous, bro. Yeah, this is where the fun's gonna begin. Dude, that guy, me almost slamming into the back of that guy fucking pissed me off, bro. Every single time I fucking ride with this dude, I always end up in an accident for no fucking reason. Like, that actually just pissed me off. I was doing everything right. Slowing down, looking behind me, everything. Why the fuck does that shit keep happening to me, bro? Fucking Nissan drivers, bro. Always. Every fucking time. Every fucking time.
Bro, I fucking hate driving here, bro.
You said what?
I fucking hate driving here, bro.
Bro, it's...
Bro, you realize that maybe almost like...
Yeah! Every fucking time I'm with y'all, that shit always happens, bro. I fucking hate coming up here. Every fucking time. Every fucking time, bro. Alright, let me just... breathe. Got it. This is gonna have to be one of those rides where we're forced to take it chill. Got it. No problem. No problem. No problem. traffic is cleared up. Now we're good and solid. Now we can drive. I don't understand why people drive so slow, bro. And now that I get out of the lane, he wants to fucking speed up, bro. I swear, bro. The fuck?
Bro, you saw my angle, bro.
I was debating bashing in his fucking mirror. Holy shit! I think it's bright as fuck!
Yeah, bro, that fucking retard wanted to go around me so bad. I came down with you. Go flying up behind you. I was getting so scared, but he was going around you. That was dangerous. Bro,
If I see him again, I'm gonna say some shit.
bro, now we're going flat.
Nah, for real. It's basically saying that if he would have hit us, bro, it would have been a bad fucking day. Nah, you're telling me, dog. What the fuck is that? Oh, hell yeah! Hey, what up, bro? What's up, gang? He's definitely going to the meet. Just chilling right now, bro. We need to get a cool shot, you know? Right here. That'd be sick. Ooh, we're close. We're close. Let's see if homie will pop one. Where? Where the fuck do you see a cop? Right there? Ah, that is a cop. That is a cop. That is a cop. Nah, I'm kidding. We love the cops. We love the cops. Yeah, I like cops. Genuinely. I just don't like bad cops. That's all. Oh, that is a cop. That's a sheriff, too. I mean, we're only on this road for 2 miles. Actually, you know what? Nah, let's pull in. I'm gonna cut it here, and then I'll see you guys once we pull in. This guy, I forgot. There's enough content already. Ah. Next to a Planet Fitness? I might get a workout in. Alright, where are these cars? Where do you want to park?
We're early. We didn't really start the bike spot. Weren't there? No, there was like 4 people in front of us, remember?
Nah, they were behind us. It was just the one girl. Alright,
No, you remember before that passed us at the left?
We passed them. Did we not? Oh, we did.
They went past me.
That's right.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, where the fuck are they? Alright, whatever. Well, we're here at the bike meet. I'll, I don't know, we'll see if we get some content here. Deuces.
There's a bunch of people over at the station.
Let's go.
There's a bunch of people. I know if there's a bike. We're just talking just walking around.
There you go. Where bro is.
So right up there with the one bike.
Fuck it. Ah, there they are.
Oh, they should not be this big later on.
I'm gonna just park here. Why not park with the rest of the bikes?